Hi, it's Paul. Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties here. It is June 27th, almost half the year gone. So let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Get these things in line here. Oops. Okay, so we have lowest priced new listing as of today. Looks like a one-story condo for $92,957 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, built in '82. And let's see what's going on here. Okay, nice little complex. Tile floors, that's nice. Dated kitchen, but clean. Alright, and that little guy is over Vegas and Pecos Boulevard. Sunrise Manor area. Okay. Sounds good. And here's the most expensive one. $435 for a one-story single family 2,300 square foot house. Nice turf out front, 3-car garage, courtyard, that's pretty nice. Gated community. Nice little house. Like the style. Few upgrades. Let's see. Does have a pool. Where is this pool? There it is. Okay, not a big backyard, but a little cook area there and tables and stuff. Enjoyable. Fire pit there. Alright, no spa, but a pool. That's good. Okay, so this one's out of the area. Let's go to the next one, which is a condo, 950 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 71. And let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's see. A little rough, but you know, for 78,000. Desert Inn and Maryland Parkway. Real close to the strip. Good little round unit. Okay, well, looks like there was a few listings. 169 between yesterday and today. 2.2 million, 5368. 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 2-car garage, pool spa, 2002. Grass. Nice staircase. Should have had it professionally photographed. Kind of a messy kitchen. Wow, look at that. For a nice house like that. That even leaves a trash can open there. It's too bad. Got an oven here, an oven there, a little warming thing there, a sink over there. Nice place. Too bad it just doesn't show well. Nice pool. Waterfall. that is. Oh, it's a shower. Okay. Nice backyard. Play area for the kids. Looks like it's a big lot and it's on a cul-de-sac. Wow. Very nice house. 2.2 million, huh? And some more pictures of the backyard. It's even got a diving board. How big is that lot? Oh, over an acre. No wonder. Okay. So where is it? Valadez. Oakley and Cimarron. Okay. Right there in Area 10 is what we call it, I think. Okay, so that was most expensive one yesterday. Alright. Let's check out what's 704 properties on the market are in escrow. Sold. $26. Nothing today. It's out of the area. We got here, we have a 2-story condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Sold. Nice and clean. Yeah, it looks like it's been refurbished. 115. $95 in Decatur. Wow. Quite a few closed escrow yesterday. Highest price 1.28. Nice courtyard there. Nice house. Nice grounds. I like this. Pretty nice. Yep. Nice little house. We see whether it had a pool. Yep, nice pool, covered patio. Nice see-through fence there. Alright. And that's La Casita. Warm Springs and Tamaya. Okay. Good area there. Alright. And then like I'd like to do is check out the pool properties that have gone into contract in the last couple of days. See if there's any big change in that. Single family home with the pool. 95, it's picking up. Yeah, picking up. Okay. Let's see what we got here. averages 13,000 square foot lot, 2624, 634,000 under contract, and 2400, 9,000 square foot lot, 400,000 around figures. Okay, that's good. Pick it up. But that's only 21. What happened to the rest? Guess I only got that one page. There we go. Close this. Close this. Checked at 95. Now, much better. Okay, so we have under contract show 2760, 11,000 square foot lots, 528, $186 a square foot. No shows are 23,015 square foot, 8,100 square foot lot, 176 for 397. Not pushing 200. Okay. All right. Well, I think that's it. So have a happy day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.